In the heart of untouched wetlands, where sunlight meets silence, a new story is born.
Here, crocodiles lay their eggs, and from this fragile beginning, luxury finds its root.
In temperature-controlled labs, technology mimics nature's rhythm.
First breath of life, delicate, engineered, and watched with care.
Raised in sustainable habitats, young crocodiles live under precise environmental control.
Every detail, size, skin pattern, and health, digitally monitored.
As they grow strong, the cycle nears transformation trait, where life meets creation.
Selection is guided by precision, not by haste ray. The balance between nature and craft.
The transition from natural habitat to precision facility.
Inside the factory, art meets engineering. High-velocity water cleanses each hide, purity before perfection.
Each hue is a signature hour, infused deep within every grain.
In amber-colored drums, chemistry gives life new texture. Advanced robotics slice with micron accuracy, sculpting perfection.
Warm air and time merge to breathe flexibility and strength.
Texture is tuned, flexibility crafted theme, machines working like sculptors. Every sheet scanned, analyzed, perfected, until nothing remains but excellence.
Blueprints of beauty. Every wallet, belt, and bag starts here.
In the hands of skilled South Asian female craftswomen, precision becomes poetry.
Edges refined, surfaces polished, feathered, every detail a reflection of mastery. The emblem of luxury, pressed in fire, sealed in identity.
Threads hold legacy together, strength woven into style.
Precision meets purpose. Zippers aligned, corners joined, beauty assembled.
Every product tested for endurance, tone, and texture. Only the flawless remain.
Wrapped with pride, sealed with perfection. Luxury begins with presentation.
Bound for global destinations, from factory to fashion capitals.
Displayed in elegance, admired in silence, the final form of creation.
With innovation comes duty to preserve life, respect the craft, and honor nature's gift.
This is the 3D story of crocodile leather, where nature's strength meets human artistry.